from 0 to 100 Go High Level SaaS clients, the AI snapshot that builds $20,000 per month agency. Now, before I quickly show you how do you do that, like if you check on my YouTube channel, I have been associated with GoHighLevel, using the GoHighLevel from early 2020 when there was just 1,500 agencies. I've won awards with GoHighLevel. I've done interview of the CEO and the co-founder, Varun Varavan, the CEO and the co-founder, Sean Clark, and this is the second co-founder, and the spokesperson of GoHighLevel, which is Chase Buckner. So what I'm trying to say is that basically I live and breathe GoHighLevel very much. If you'll see on my YouTube channel, it's very much about the GoHighLevel. So directly, I'm going to jump on how you're going to do that. Is basically you are going to provide this AI automation service to the existing business. So without any technical stuff, if you tell them I'm going to make your business AI automated and which is going to run 24/7 without any human intervention required, it is going to be automatically. And how it is going to look like, basically imagine promising via the words is one thing, directly sending them the video that this is how it is going to look like. That's what you are selling. You're selling in the minds of the people and showing them, making them believe you. So now I'm going to show you myself what exactly this snapshot, how does it automate. And this is the exact video. If you send it to your respective client, like shooting it and then giving them the link that they can test it themselves, the sale becomes super easy. And I'm also going to reveal how do you get the snapshot. So let us just watch the quick video. This is how you're going to show them. So I'm going to just quickly show you. So that's how like you get started. So there you go, guys. As you can see, the customer comes on their website. By the way, this is for any snapshot. Right now it is showing for physical therapy. So it asks, tell me about your business. And great, I have injury and I need appointment. That's how like a normal conversation goes on. This is the simulation which is applicable for all the snapshot. And I'm going to show you how can you replicate for any niche. And as you can see, right now it is just giving the date and time, the AI chatbot, and right now it's saying, okay, 16th October, 3 p.m. It is saying, okay, I'm going to book the appointment. Just give me your phone, name, and email. Just to tell you, this is without any human intervention. This is AI dealing. So the person gives the name, email, and the description. I have a neck injury. And what AI does is automatically books the appointment for your respective customer. And when the customer goes to the CRM, it's updated. It sees the conversation, a new opportunity is created, the CRM is created, new appointment is created, and a workflow is triggered, which is sends immediate SMS to that respective contact. Hey, your booking is done. As you can see, the CRM is updated. So everything is happening automated. Imagine hundreds of people trying to book the appointment, trying to converse, and it's doing automated. That's what you're going to deliver to the client. As you can see, the automation is predefined in these snapshots. That's why this gets automated. For example, somebody, just the moment appointment is booked, this workflow is triggered, which says send an internal notification, create a pipeline opportunity, send a confirmation SMS, and then again a reminder will be sent 24 hours before, 48 hours before, 1 hour before. So this is the folder that you're going to get, guys. The snapshot, 127 snapshot, as I told you, like you name any niche and it's all there. So all you have, like even the premium one, the communities, coaching, and snapshot, and this AI powered script can turn any of your snapshot into AI powered. So basically just you have to give the AI instructions. So just copy and paste that instruction, paste it in ChatGPT, and change the niche to which that you want. Let's say the dentist, you want the chiropractor, spa, whatever that you want, just change the niche and the business name, and boom, it is going to create that script, and you can copy and paste in your voice agents and conversation AI, and that's it. Your entire snapshot niche is changed. Like from the physiotherapy I just showed you, you can change to dentists, you can change to chiropractors, you can change to any of it. But not just that, you will even have our private assistants, where I'm going to tell you like how do you get this completely free. There is a GoHighLevel mastermind private group that I'm going to add you to. So basically within this WhatsApp group, as you can see, it's private inner circle for the people under us, and you will be part of this group. That's super amazing. And not just that, a private personal support, only 3 people in this group, and another group where my expert is going to help you get on board and get any of your issues resolved. So how do you get this? The answer is very simple. All we are asking in return is people to sign up to GoHighLevel using our link. What is our link? GoHighLevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. If you type in the browser, this is a special link, and it activates 30-day free trial of your GoHighLevel. Now, if you have already got the GoHighLevel, you can upgrade to $297 or $497 plan. Go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and there you can upgrade to our respective plan. Now, having said that, like after you have done it, just email to us at abdullah@abdullahzai.com or WhatsApp us here. So this is a bonus vault that you're going to get: 127 snapshot, private WhatsApp mastermind group, one-to-one personal support. And imagine this is the solution that you're going to send to each of your clients. Just change the logo to your respective client, and of course the niche that you're trying to sell. You have that in entire snapshot, and that when they see that this is the end solution, like you want them to have that belief, that this, like, see and believe, and then desire that. The moment that they desire it, that's when they want it. That's when the pricing comes, like, okay, how much do I have to pay for it? And imagine you are even reducing the barrier to entry, that you're saying that, okay, I'm going to give it to you for free trial, 30-day free trial, 14-day free trial. Becomes a no-brainer offer. Now imagine if you distribute it to hundreds and hundreds of people, even if 50% of people retain and start paying you $290. Make sure you tell the price before, like not like after the free trial starts, then you tell the price. Like, you don't want to screen people who are not willing to spend $300 a month. So basically $300 a month, it's a no-brainer for the entire automation. That's how you're giving this solution. That's why the GoHighLevel is blessing in disguise in this AI age, where you can automate the business practically. And there is a multi-million dollars worth of team sitting and creating these products, updating these products. You don't have to work onto them. You just have to distribute them. So again, guys, I would request you to sign up to GoHighLevel.com/AbdullahZai. It's a special link created by GoHighLevel for us because we are their premium affiliate. And just to tell you a quick story with the GoHighLevel, with Sean Clark. I mean, in 2020, I had one of the interview as well with Sean Clark, and that one was not recorded. And it was early days of GoHighLevel. I was a fan of ClickFunnels at that time, and Russell Brunson selling everything. That's what I was telling to Sean Clark. Hey, Russell Brunson, do you know that he actually sells to the people, and he has that yearly award thing, and he's a great seller. That's what Sean Clark, okay, we are not a great seller, like we believe in delivering the value. And I was thinking I was right on that part. Like Sean Clark was admitting they need to be good seller as well, but they can't help but becoming great value. Eventually GoHighLevel has beaten everyone because they believe in the value delivering. I mean, to this day, this belief has changed in me that, okay, Sean Clark said, and they actually deliver it. Every now and then they keep on updating, improving the product, delivering the real core value. So selling is fine, but the real differentiator and making your business stand out and really sustain and grow for a long term, you have to keep on delivering the value. That's what GoHighLevel and Sean Clark people have proven it to me. So I wish you guys all the best, guys. Sign up for the GoHighLevel 30-day free trial, and can't wait to reply to you with all the bonuses which I told you and add you to the mastermind group and start your individual support. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with GoHighLevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the GoHighLevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my GoHighLevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our GoHighLevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzai.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to GoHighLevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised, and also I worked closely one-on-one with his GoHighLevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through GoHighLevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
Just to further add to it, that you're even going to get access to this special mastermind group which I have created for the affiliate inner circle. That means all these people will be there in the personal WhatsApp group, so that it's easily accessible. Easily anybody can type in their content, whatever that they feel like, and it's only available for the inner circle affiliates. The goal of this group is that people with similar goals move together, sharing each other the strategies and promoting each other to get the client, the best of the strategies that work to get the client. So basically this group especially for progressing towards getting the client, becoming that next SaaSpreneur. Having said that, this is apart from the 127 snapshot that you're going to get. This is apart from the one-to-one personal support that you are going to get with our expert and the WhatsApp group that I'm going to form. Now, the question is whether somebody who has who has already joined the GoHighLevel, can they have access to all these things and access to the mastermind group? Answer is yes. All you have to do is just enter our code AI bonuses into AI employee. How do you go there? Like, just go to your agency, click settings, click AI employee, manage offers, and then within field FP reference is equal to, just put AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, click apply, take the screenshot and send us to abdullah@abdullahzai.com. We will ensure to deliver you the entire snapshot set, the AI powered scripts to convert all the snapshot into AI powered, and the mastermind group access. And most importantly, you have access to me once you find your first AI employee client. I wish you guys all the best. See you there.